The slow lift hill on Python. The Vekoma looping coaster that was retracked in 2018. Front row on ride.
2 decades later.
It's painfully slow, this lift hill.
60 decades later.
Christmas has been and gone. And happy birthday twice.
To be honest, this is a very good coaster, but they should probably make the lift hill quite faster. Is there people behind you then?
Mm.
Yeah, I reckon that'll be the next thing that they do on it though, you know. Probably just wanted to get the track work done first, didn't they?
Was this the first ride to come to this park?
This, yeah. I don't know what was next though.
Probably like the wooden one or something.
Here we go. Oh God, here we go. Oh.
That needs to be.
Here we go. Come on, Piper, what you got? It's drop springs though, you know.
Whoa! Ah! That feels so good!
There we go. Another very smooth, good ride that was on Python. It's an enjoyable looping coaster, that is.
Oh,
Did you like that, Leo?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.